Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's Etsy Beginner 101 series, I'm going to be sharing with you how to turn on Etsy ads and a few little tips and tricks. Now, one thing I will say is that I do have a real in-depth, up-to-date video as of recording this, which is available on my channel. So go and watch that after you've watched this, especially if you are a beginner and you want to know, are Etsy ads worth it? Will they bring me in money? How should I manage Etsy ads? How should I turn them on and all that kind of stuff as well. So to go to Etsy ads, you want to go to the marketing tab and go to Etsy ads here. Now, one thing that I will say is that I am testing a big amount in regards to Etsy ads. So if you see some wonky stats and you're like, is that what Etsy ads should look like? Because that's not so great. It's a classic thing of do as I say, not as I do, because I'm doing some in-depth testing so that I can come back to you guys and report on my findings. But when you first come to Etsy ads, you will see something like this. So obviously I have had Etsy ads on before, so my screen might look slightly different, but what you can do is you can restart your campaign here. Now, what I would say is with Etsy ads, only advertise best-selling listings that have had sales or interest before, and put $1 a day behind it. So if you are a complete beginner, I would say, and let's say you've got 1 or 2 sales on one particular item, I would just start off with advertising that one item at $1 a day. So you can totally press restart your campaign here, and then you're taken to this here. Now, obviously I have stats here, and as you can see, I'm running a test. So I'm right in the middle of doing that because I've just completely switched them off, but I've turned them back on to show you how to do this. So when you come here, you will see your stats graph here, but obviously that's not going to have a lot of information in there. And you also should be doing 1 listing at $1 a day, or 2 at $2 a day, or 5 at $5 a day, whatever, okay? So when you very first turn Etsy ads on, I would personally leave them for 2 weeks so that you can gather data. And then after those 2 weeks, I'd recommend to go and watch my other video where I go in depth about the stats, how to get a better return on ad spend, how to formulate your own Etsy ad strat, and all that kind of stuff as well. But one thing I will quickly say is if you can't resist a little sneak peek, there's some amazing info here. So if you've got your one advertised listing, and let's say it's just this one here, and you go to detailed stats, okay, what you can do is that you can scroll down and then you can see searches that led to this ad. So if you're listing similar items and you want some information as to what keywords are working for your shop, you can find that information here. So it's just a really, really good way to go in and find some cool information whilst you're waiting for your Etsy ads to cook. So guys, I hope that this has been helpful for you to come in and turn your Etsy ads on. Definitely do not forget to go and check out that other video that I did where I went in depth on how to manage your stats and listings and all that kind of stuff. But for now, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye, everybody.